All right, all right, all right. It's a wild day today. And if you got on the right side, there were some nice moves. Should have made some money. But the short of the long is thus. We're looking at the daily bar right here. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see it. And entirely indecisive, man. Not telling me anything. So we're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. I would like to see a break of the high. Um, break of today's high tomorrow. Then we could put a nice trend line over here, and we could say, "Yo, we're bullish until breaking that trend line." So we'll see. Maybe it'll give us that tomorrow, and we could take it from there. When you look at the 60, yeah, I'm neutral on the 60. I'm neutral on the daily. We're gonna have to see what goes on. I mean, obviously, we're in a down trend on the market. I think high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I guess a little consolidation. So this is where it could turn around. If it bounces here and then breaks this 45.86, we are going to the moon, Alice. People might lay back because we got the Fed meeting in September. Everybody wants to see what they're going to do. You ask me, it's 25 basis points. It's 25 basis points going forward. There's a lot of shit going on in the economy, and they just got to figure out which way to go. I mean, nothing here really is it's just not a normal inflation environment. Raising interest rates is not bringing the price of oil down. Um, the supply chain is not going to free up by raising interest rates. We need to get to 2.5%, the normal, or you know what I would like to see, even 5%. But we need to get to a normal interest rate and off of this zero concept. And we do need to thin out that balance sheet and stop buying bonds. So, if we work on this slowly, that's cool. The economy's strong enough. It's going to eat it up. It's going to move up. The Ukrainians, sucks for them, but I don't know how much it's going to hurt our economy. I mean, it would be nice if they cut a deal. The Ukraine says we're not letting any NATO equipment into our country. Russia says I'm not moving further onto your country or any further. I mean, you know what? You got a bunch of separatists. You have communities that are pro-Russia. They want to be Russian. I mean, what's the big deal? Ukraine carves that piece off, gives it to Russia. I have to look at it. Actually, I don't know if that cuts them off from water access, but it kind of sucks to be a landlocked country. I mean, look at Laos. They can't get out of their own way. They're landlocked. Um, so so anyway, they got to work this shit out so that we can make some money. Um, let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin. Poof. Where you be? I thought we put some trend lines on Bitcoin this morning. It's been a long day. A long day. Well, oh no, I think that was AMC. We put some trend lines on. What are we saying? It's bouncing off the lower Keltner. It looks like a relatively decent hammer. You could look for a trade tomorrow. I think these are the futures I'm looking at. So really, this trade's all right through the evening. So if we break today's high tomorrow, might be a good entry. I'm just going to take a look at it for everybody first thing in the morning, and maybe we can find a decent entry on. As far as trading goes, I mean, you're getting some movement, so you could trade. I mean, if you're investing in this thing, if you're holding it long term, you beat. You ask me. I think I had heard somebody announce that 27% of everybody who owns Bitcoin is underwater on the trade. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm drinking and talking, and it looks like it might get a little worse. It's in a bear market, so anyway, if you're invested, I mean, just I don't know really how to guide you, but as far as trading, you're looking good. Looking good. AMC, 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 AMC. Well, this has a direct correlation with the market, and I really think it's going to 1,000. You should buy more. And they're still screaming that shit. I'm seeing it on the text and the tweets, and it's unbelievable. But I mean, I don't like what I see. It looks like Doesn't look like the 60's ready to roll over yet. The daily still looks soft, although the histogram's backed off a little bit, so it looks like the volume or momentum might be rolling, but I don't see anything. Here's the lines we made this morning. So yeah, we'll just hold steady and say breaking. We're bearish unless breaking this line. Actually, we're neutral unless breaking this line. And you know what? We are neutral. I tell you. Oh, look at that! I'm disconnected. We are neutral. Oh, now I can't get trend lines. That sucks. Okay, we are neutral unless we break this low right here. What? My internet keeps knocking me off. I don't understand it. So we're neutral. Oh, okay. Now I can probably make my. Yeah, I can. Cool. Q beans. Yeah, that worked out well. Here's where we. Your sister's Aunt Fanny. Okay, so it's got me flustered. It's got me flustered. We're neutral. In between. You can't even see it. Oh, yeah, okay, so look, we're neutral in between that trend line and 1345. So breaking 1345, we are bearish. Breaking this trend line here, we are bullish on AMC. So right now we're holding neutral. So to surmise, neutral on SPX. We want to see what it does tomorrow. We are, I think we said we're neutral on Bitcoin, and we're neutral on AMC. I don't know, man. I should have left a trail of breadcrumbs on that video. So anyway, watch the video again. You'll get the idea. Be calm and cool. I think everybody's happy with what's going on with the Ukraine, given the circumstance. I think the fear is kind of coming out. We have an understanding. We're getting a clear picture on how it's going to affect our economy. So I don't know, man. I think we might be able to start socking away some stocks. I think summertime, everybody's going to do well if you guys are investing now, putting things away, even doing short-term trades. Out 6 months, 8 months. If that's your time horizon. But as far as your investment portfolio goes, this is just providing you buying opportunities. So anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. What else do I have to close up? That's about it. Get some meditation in, be calm and cool. I was hearing from the psycho broker all day. I literally told him he's got to stop calling me now because now he's just getting derogatory. So I said, that's it. It's a wrap. Every time I tell the guy to take it easy or invest lightly, the kid goes nuts, goes all in, and then he gets screwed. And then I got to listen to him cry. So it's just messing up my day, messing up my head. Anyway, we make the sign of the cross over the psycho trader. So everybody, get your meditation in. Be calm and cool. Don't overdo it. Don't trade heavy. You should be comfortable when you're trading, not strung out. And I will catch you first thing in the morning.